begin. Only one star for Khasi noob. Dia ngamdan artillery device pangan check ru. Dangadan ru kaman toy hi ngamdan artillery device namar ba internet ke slow dan ngamdan artillery device ngamdan check na po. Nakaju hi internet dengan kata hi tenang plop asya. Dia masuk ru pakan biang kamai dia bisa kamai dengan boleh action yang stream depan kasih sound dia bukan kasih dan layu wifi oh I got defense 50%. Wow. Hello. Why is everyone in the comment section it's very silent? No one is talking, no one is commenting. Oh, come on. Please comment. Please comment. Oh, I ordered Wi-Fi. That's why. Why did I order Wi-Fi? I didn't even have a Wi-Fi, but I switched on Wi-Fi. Wow. Hello. Kalau along nang nak stream, subha ba ni ong kalau along na em. Ka screen kalau arit kadang rit na, kalau ahe na. ngam no lay show stream ngam ai boom ngam ai shield mod show iya betul ya kan iya betul kamu syah betul iya betul yes okay kamu tak long te off on music bro on music oh biar ni apa tu Witches at the top. Oh, yang music. Left. Only one rich left. Okay, one rich left. Oh, 82%. High percentage for Hima syiem. Kontang sound effects. Okay, okay bro, okay. Kontang sound effects. Okay lah, biang kat tu. Ngubah ke service ngutang sound jong si OC. Lalong niam. Hello, lalong niam. Sound effects music lalong. Kalalong ni am, kalalong. Jangan off bina stream direct na ya ka in game sound. Yes, latihan sebentar. Okay bro, okay lah ya ngubah. Okay. Now let's go right into the scores. The score: Hima syiem have finished 2 attacks and off no sound effect. Off no sound effect. Okay, sound effect off. Okay. Ngala off sound effect but ka music but sound effect ngala off. Thì saya on mo ngan on ka ngan off ka Thì ka score kalau company harum. Okay, the scores 2 attacks for Hima syiem and they scored 4 stars, and Khasi noob have finished only 1 attack and they scored only 1 star, and Hima syiem is still on the lead with 3 stars right now. So Khasi noob will be attacking in a moment right now, so let's see how they reply in this second attack. Okay, boss, just there. Okay, for those of you who are watching the stream, please make sure to like the stream and feel free to subscribe or share. You can do whatever you like, but please like the stream. It would really mean a lot to me. So why these guys are not following the pattern? No one is following pattern. Why? No one is following patterns. Pattern, please, pattern. Oh, my builders already. Upgrade way. Upgrade to giant bomb. Upgrade to giant bomb na. Ha. Ha. Okay. Okay. Pathar la. Pathar. Ui, attack pathar la. Ngathat ban on WhatsApp group ban ong ban follow pattern. Mano badan apa WhatsApp group? Mano badan apa WhatsApp group? Kita kiba page live stream so bahaban. Oh, Gary. Text apa WhatsApp ong ya banza ong ban follow kapatan follow baik kapatan atak no word namar basibet kapor kan sa clash salemwir sanga ban stream sibet ngan stream kat no attack sibet saw attack san attack sibet ngahap spectate lawai tat la janjar. Pet eda ka defend la dia la defense. Let's jump into the defense. Wow, super minions. Mass super minions and balloons. Okay, bro, okay. Ni mass super minions balloons. This guy is OP. Wow. What the? This is going to be another defense. Only 1 star. This is going to be 1 star, I guess. No, 1 star or 2 star. Okay. They are not attacking yet. Wow. Khasi noob. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much, everyone in the comment section for helping me out. Thank you so much for helping me out. Okay, now Hima syiem Modi G. Oh, ngatong Modi G lah. Medi Medi JJ. Ngatong Modi G. Modi G going against Alex. Okay, this is the third attack for Hima syiem. It's a third attack for Hima syiem. He's trying. He deployed that hawk for, for Jakiro noob. Hello, Kibido. Hello. OP in the chat. OP. Okay, now he's taking his time with the screen charge at the top side of the base, and he's coming in with a hybrid attack, dropping that king at the left or the right side for the funneling, and it's about time that he will drop the hybrid. That king, he didn't finish his job right there. The king didn't finish his job. So this is going to be a problem. He might have to deploy those hybrid at the top side, right? The left. Oh, why did he drop those troops from there? Wow. So the town hall. Will he get the town hall or not? He should have charged right from the left side of the base, right? The town hall side. At least he would secure a 2-star. But this, I don't see this going to be a 2-star. This is going to be a 1-star. This is going to be a 1-star for Hima syiem. Wow. That multiple inferno. Wow. Queen Mother. Queen Mother. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, this is going to be only 1-star. 1-star because that lava hound, once that lava hound popped, then the queen is going to have to challenge against those lava pups. Then it will take around 5 to 10 years to kill that lava hound and all the lava pups, 5 to 10 years maybe. See? Wow. This is going to be a 1-star. 1-star for Hima syiem. 1-star for Hima syiem. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put. Takut. Okay. Now Hima syiem again with their fourth attack. Using that queen charge hybrid. We've seen so many queen charge hybrids in this tournament, but we haven't seen any 3-stars, right? The only 3-star that we've seen is yesterday, that semi-final day 1 from Khasi Barbarians using those witches attack. But let's see, in this attack he's using that king on the left side for the funneling. Finally he's deployed those hybrids, and they are going to take down those Teslas and that town hall. Okay. And those miners and hawks, they will have to challenge against those enemy heroes, king, queen and all, so they might struggle right in the core. Jakiro part 2 1-star master. Jakiro. Okay. Hima syiem. Khasi noob. De shano tip kijak khasi noob ngam tip ra. Jayu khasi noob. Khasi noob telakut. Khasi noob. Oi londe. Okay. Wow, Grand Warden. Warden ability. See, Warden ability. Solo ability. Why didn't he use his ability right in the core, right? Where when the miners and the hawks are entering inside the core, the miners are charging into the queen and the king. He should have used his warden ability right there. But warden ability is such a waste. He used it for solo. There's no troops around his tomb. Town hall penang lah ongkom. Lakut. 86% 2-star for Alvin D. Okay. Alvin D. Okay, we missed the attack from Alex too. Wow. We missed this attack. Okay, I'll show you guys each and every replay. Okay, the ones that I missed. Okay, now Khasi Noob, Legend Marquee from Khasi Noob going against Soja Hima syiem. Swag Warden ability. Yeah, katul ada ke swag Warden ability. Swag Warden ability with a 2-star, right? Swag Warden ability with a 2-star. Okay, now Legend Marquee going against Soja with those with only hybrids. He's not using queen charge. Oh yeah. Oh, he's using queen charge, right? On the right side of the base, trying to take down that town hall with the queen, so that he wants to he might secure the 2-star, right? So he have to fight for the 3-star here. The 2-star will be secured already. So he's using that electro dragon for funneling on the bottom side of the base, and the queen is already charging, is still charging on the left on the right side of the base right there, taking down those storages, clan castle and all. So once the queen has cleared those funneling on the side of the base, he's finally dropping that king, and then in a moment we will see the hybrid going and charge into the base, directly into the base. He might have to charge directly into the eagle artillery, so that, oh, he's not charging into the eagle artillery, he's charging on the bottom side of the base. They have to challenge against that multiple inferno. Multiple inferno. Stream connection is not stable again. Why again? Why again? Off Kai to on Biang. This is going to be a 2-star as well. 2-star. Okay. Wow. Those healers will be down in 1, 2, 3. Down. Come noob. Okay. 80%, as I said. 80%. Wow. 80%. Oh, 81%. 81%. Khasi noob. I finished 3 attacks. Khasi noob 3 attacks, and Hima syiem 4 attacks. Hima syiem have secured 7 stars, and Khasi noob have secured only 5 stars. But they still have 2 attacks left, and Hima syiem they have only 1 attack left. And Khasi noob, they are not following the attacking pattern in this tournament. They are not following the pattern. I don't know why. Maybe it's the internet connection. They might have a problem with the internet. The same way I have my problem with the internet. I know why. Okay. Okay, now the last attack from Hima syiem. Soja going against Alex 3. The last attack from Hima syiem. The siem attack, right? Hybrid. Always hybrid. I don't see any electro dragon attack, drag bat and all. Yesterday I saw like drag bat, which is hybrid dragon and all. But today mostly hybrid in today's match. So that queen is challenging against that king with that low HP. Wow, he invests that rage along with the ability. So now where will he drop that wall breaker, super wall breaker? The queen is taking her time for that queen charge. She's charging her way right from the side of the base, and he already taken care of the CC troops and that wall breaker. Wow, wall breaker from that bomb tower got taken down by that bomb tower. Wow, bomb tower. Okay, he's dropping that king and a baby drag for funneling. Popular ka hybrid. Popular ka hybrid. Bakalong nong no hybrid ka kamsuk artan ka hybrid sakaway ba suk shu funnel ben charge bit one side of the base, kaway ka side ban yo ka CC nai charge nakaliang badon ki ground expo badon ki Tesla farm itu charge bit nakaliang bit ba biang ka damage DPS hamduna nang ta pej atat banyo ka town hall ni ka clan castle te king but kumangi TH13 tingi use king but si barak ban funnel na side they should drop bit hybrid direct na prank bit so deh Ki gue ki troops parte ka kamlong challenge. Okay, 72% 2 stars for soldier. 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 Okay. Again, 81%, 82 or 83. 85. Hima Usyama finish all their attacks and 9 stars. Okay. Alex 2 with his 4th attack in this match, going against Modiji. Sorry Modiji. Modiji is going to be a defender in this attack. He's going to be a defender. Stream connection is not stable. I know it's not stable. It's not stable. I know it's not stable. Why it's not stable? Alex against Modiji. Mass witch attack. Queen charge. Mass witch attack. Mass witch. Oh, this might go into a 1 star as well, because I don't know why, but I think, okay, Pakka, this is going to be a 1 star, I guess. Pakka. Wow. Oh, by dan kam kastai uref 3 star halas bay. Me 3 star halas. Ibang me 3 star halas. Plop me yo star to kayo. But nah, ni telah cencar banyo 3 star o banyo 2 star. La cencar ba ni banyo 2 star. Kumalo nga hinak sedang kani ban cencar. Pet tiki wecham kinam ya ras stage kaliang town hall. Kin ya bit round kin ya. Tu la round lupa mentala rai. Tip si star ba yo nam yo na ne te la kut la ne te. Amet. Tu ka jump spell boleh la ada use cloyd la jump spell mana la ada ban ai ban rung itu ka di hero support sa jump spell gi witch. Okay, why? Mdan reach use bita kazap tu use bita kazap mdan reach ban boost tiki witch pet tiki witch kan dadap tika witch ban peran tikan ro kayak itu lah kut lah. 2 star ne. Oh, ni 2 star. Hima syiem. They will going to go through to the finals, I guess. They will go through to the finals. So la thut internet day. Ngan pitch hashaway ka replay. Ani 5 4 3 2 1. La attack Alex 3. Let's watch Alex 3 because that previous attack is going to be 1 star. It's useless to watch, right? So let's watch this one. Mass minor attack. Queen charge. Mass minor attack. Okay, where is he dropping his queen? Oh, he's dropping on the bottom side of the base. So it will be 1-on-1. Queen versus queen right there. Queen versus queen. He's not even using his rage. Wow, late rage. Okay, finally the queen is saved because of that rage spell. And the enemy queen is down. And she have to take care of those CC troops, witch and baby dragon. The queen, she's going to take down that town hall. For sure, she's going to take down the town hall. But where is he going to drop that king for funneling? Where is he going to funnel that king? Okay, funneling that king on the left side of the base and dropping that wall breaker, super wall breaker again there for that compartment. The queen will get access to all that compartment, the town hall compartment, sweeper and everything. So she will have to kill that enemy king as well. So it's about time he will drop those mass minor. Okay, so the queen, she's going down right there against that enemy king. Oh, he have that ability. He still have that king ability. So he's dropping that mass miner right from on the right side of the base. They will have to charge right from those X-bows. Wow, X-bows, so many X-bows, right? So many X-bows. And those giant bombs, there will be two more giant bombs right there, so you have to use those healing spells properly. Wow. Healer swap, right? Okay, let's see those healers. Will they be OP or not? Oh, they were being targeted by the single target Inferno. Those healers are being taken down one by one. This is going to be a 2-star because of that Eagle Artillery. Eagle Artillery is taking down all the miners. Wow. This is going to be a 90%. 90% 2-star. Or 91. 90, 91, 92, 92, 93. Okay, 93%. 93%. 2-star. GG, sexy attack. Oh, 93%. Best Katuru, 93%. Best 93%. War has ended. 8 stars. Okay, Hima syiem have finished all their 5 attacks and they secured 9 stars. Okay, and Khasi noob finished all their attacks and they secured only 8 stars. Let's go into the percentage. Hima syiem they secured 86% and Khasi noob 74%. Hima syiem they are on the lead with percentage as well as stars. So Hima syiem they will go through to the finals, which will be tomorrow at 8 p.m. and the final will be double elimination. That is, they will have to play 3 matches, right? 3 matches. Double elimination means each team have to win 2 times to win the finals. If the other team lose 2 times and the other team win 2 times, then we will decide the final. So Hima syiem will go to the finals. They will be facing against KHYRWIT tomorrow at 8 p.m. and I will be live tomorrow at 8:15 p.m. because it's useless to stream while it's during preparation time. So I will start the stream right from the battle day. Okay, so tomorrow I will be on stream again. So thank you so much everyone for coming to the stream. Okay, let's watch the replay from Alex or from King Marquis. No way na mana. King Marquis Junior. No King Marquis Junior nampak kelangan mana. Oh, kanian. Kanian attack berkampet mana. Let's watch this replay. Okay, let's watch this replay. We missed this replay from Khasi noob King Marquis Junior. Let's watch this replay. It's useless comment on this attack because it's a replay. It's not a live replay. Okay, let's go into the comment section. Wow, Jakiro Batu Star Master Town Hall Penang Hongkong Incoming Baby Ru Dang Tap Lalada. Oh, so your contact place Jakiro Kibaram Nang Ne Ngaso Kum Upuro Ngan 3 star Fa Sapit Na Kum Unu Ni Ngatlot Siege Machine Dang Hill 2 star Ngan Le Black Magic next Black Star is live Ngan Kenya Iwe Tang Archer Ngan Perliam Fang Ngan Drop Poison spell lightly van buatan popular tika hybrid tu hybrid tapi Khasi noob ni 3 star kam rough 3 star Malaysia bansap kan ma ya 2 star wala conjurat ni museum ngan ra hall 9 sudah that la ngan le classic warna. Okay, this is only 2 star. I just going through this attack because we missed this live replay, right? Because they didn't follow the pattern, so I'm just going through the replay. This is only 57%. 57%. Okay, before we end the stream, please, I ask you one thing. Please like the stream and share on, I mean, what's the use of sharing, right? It's about to end. The stream is about to end. Who win? Okay, bro, who win? I'll show you who win. Hima syiem. But victory Hima syiem. Hima syiem scored 9 stars and Khasi noob scored 8 stars. Okay, so everyone, before we stop the stream, I suggest you guys please like the stream. Don't share the stream now because it's already ended. It's already ended. The stream is already ended. So just like the stream, and you can share my channel to your fellow clanmates. They can subscribe and whatever. Please share and see you next time tomorrow in the finals. Right? We will stream tomorrow. The final day one, final day one tomorrow, and final day two day after tomorrow. If the game still standing, then we will stream the final day 3 also on the same day as day after tomorrow, right? We'll stream. But if one team wins 2 consecutive times, then we will decide the final right there. We won't be playing 3 matches. But if both the teams won in the first match, second match they won, and so they will be playing the third match. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the stream. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye and good night. Peace.